Alright guys, here's the deal. I got something that used to belong to my grandpa, and he wanted to restore it, and that was his goal, and he passed away, so he's no longer able to achieve that goal. I'm going to take over for him and get it done. He wanted it done for the kids, and so people could see something that's cool. Mini chopper. So I'm going to be doing a series on this until it's completely done. Right now we're just going to see if it even runs. We got the carbs all opened up, about to take them off, go through the floats and the pins, make sure everything is good. And it's got oil in it, so that's good. It holds oil. It's got a crap ton of surface rust. I bought some stuff just for that. And we're going to take everything apart once we find out if it runs or not. And we're going to bring it back one piece at a time. Right here I sprayed the carbs down, let them get clean. Now I'm taking the tank off. That way we can make sure there ain't going to be no bad gas that gets in them carbs. Alright, so what we need to do, I put the filter on loosely. We're going to spray some carb cleaner on it. We're going to turn it on the ignition. We're going to see if it at least runs. No gas tank, you guys. That was unexpected. This thing has been sitting for 2 or 3 years now, and I completely thought I was going to have to go over that carb. I'll probably still do it anyways, but we know it will fire, so I guess that's good news. Now we're going to dump this rust dissolver inside this shot glass with the bolts. That way I ain't got to replace them all, and that could save me some money. And just let those do their thing. Yeah. Oh yeah. I just opened up this petcock right here, and all that came out. Oh God. It's gonna be fun. Alright, after long determination, this is unfixable. I just gotta buy a new one. Alright, so I put the tank back on it, cleaned what I could out of it, got the petcock fixed, put that thing back on. It now works on and off. Now just got to put the little catch bowl on it, that way it can get the rest of whatever is in there. Alright, so we got fuel in there. Petcock ain't leaking. Let's just say shut-off valve isn't leaking, which is a good thing. Got the bowl back on it. Let's connect some hoses to the carb and see if this bitch runs by herself.
I need more.
Alright.
Okay.
So we're going to try to get her started. I got it connected to fuel.
Daddy, I need more paint. Find out, Daddy.
Alright.
Daddy, I want to see you ride it. It's just Spider-Man. Daddy, this is a Spider-Man. Uncle, I know what kind of bike it is.
Well, guys, you're seeing it now. It's storming. About to be. So, desperate times calls for desperate measures. I do gotta take the carburetor off. I gotta take it apart. It don't look bad, but I guarantee you there's some jets clogged. Looky in there. The jets are definitely clogged. So I'm looking at the jets right now, and I can tell them probably ain't getting no free fuel. That's clean. That's the float drain plug. Or not the float drain plug, the overflow. Here's the main jet. Here. Yep. Oh God. That's a lot better. You can see through it now. So I'll put that there. Let's pop that straw on. Something going. Now for the pilot. What's up? Put that back in. That's good. That's a good thing. All right, let's take this pilot off. So we're gonna have to need a long straight piece for that. It's a little hole. I think that's how it goes in. I don't know. Update. Brought it in the house. Taking the exhaust off. So. This should be fun. Stay tuned. Update. I'm too deep. Help.